Okay, go to your bed.
Looking Clay Thompson had his back turned right as Steph delivered that bullet pass. Thompson on the bench now with 16. Score. He's going to get his numbers, but for this team to make a deep playoff run, it's got.
Wow, beautiful evening, huh? Just look at those stars. It's nighttime here at the Big Blue House. Come on in. I was just about to take out the trash. Wait a second. What's that smell? No. It's you! Ooh, tell me, do you have your pajamas on? Because you smell like clean pajamas. Or do you smell this good all the time? Well, like I was saying, I'm just about to take...
Look, I get not paying attention to dimensions when you buy something, but did my mom not pay attention to the size of the dog?
When you have waited all night for your human to wake up.
He's excited to see you.
Hi, Barton.
What are you doing, you knucklehead? Boy. You got 23 acres and you're gonna get stuck in a damn bag.
Oh.